through the development of green parks, urban forests, and the construction of cabro walkways that allow rainwater to permeate, among other innovative methods. Speaking during the colorful ceremony, which was attended by the CS for Water and Sanitation, Eric Moreide Muga, Nakuru County Governor Susan Kihika and the Netherlands Ambassador reiterated the government's commitment to strengthening collaboration between the two countries.
Africa, demonstrating that sustainable urban development is not just possible but essential.
Working alongside our Kenyan partners and stakeholders to create a resilient and sustainable Nakuru city. Addressing the three challenges, too much, too little, and too dirty water, requires a comprehensive approach, combining policies, technologies, and sustainable practices.
The significance of this program goes beyond the immediate benefits to Nakuru. It is a critical part of a larger national strategy to ensure that all Kenyan cities become resilient, water secure, urban centers capable of withstanding the challenges posed by climate change. By implementing these solutions, we create a sustainable and reliable water supply.
Well, that story on tackling water scarcity in Eldoret has led us to the end of tonight's, in Nakuru rather, apologies for that, has led us to the end of this particular broadcast. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're adequately informed. My name is Jesse Rogers, our there was no sign language interpreter. That's how we wrap up the afternoon edition of News Desk. Up next, Inside Sports with Robinson Okenye. Enjoy the rest of your viewing.